hey, are you mother and daughter? Wow, you're very beautiful. And see how the mother reacts. Hello. Wanted to ask, are you mother and daughter?
No, that's my grandma.
Ah, grandma, you look both very beautiful.
Thank you.
You're
so
German?
much. Yeah, but we have to go.
Ah, okay, it's okay.
Have a nice
You too, you too. Bye-bye. So when she said, but we have to go, maybe she thought you're gonna pitch her on a tour, right? There's all these tour buses here.
Uh-huh.
So you can clarify right before she walks. She's
The
like,
frame, right?
Hey, I
Yeah.
understand you need to go, but I'm not trying to sell you something. I think you're very beautiful, right? So maybe it wasn't clear yet. You didn't yet actually deliver. You said you're beautiful, but maybe she thought it's a sales pitch. So you have to, in this area here, where there's all these salespeople, you have to be very clear that you're not one of them.
Okay. Excuse me? I'm not trying to sell you anything. I just thought the dress looks very beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Where did you get it?
China.
China? Really? You're from China?
Yeah.
Right. You're visiting or what are you doing here?
I'm a PhD student.
PhD. Wow. What are you studying? What are you studying?
Charity.
Charity. What is that?
The best hospital in Germany.
The what?
The best hospital in Germany.
The best hospital in Germany. So you're trying to be a doctor or something?
In fact, I'm engineering.
Ah.
Artificial intelligence.
Really? Wow, that sounds interesting. And how long have you been in Germany?
1 month.
Okay, that's cool. Bye-bye. She was kind of like walking away.
So let's feel into her. How did you feel throughout that conversation? How was your body language?
I think I came onto her with a smile.
Yeah.
Kind of, I don't know if how it looked on video, but I think I was kind of relaxed.
Oh, I look good.
So I don't know what could have improved there. She was kind of shy maybe too.
Yeah, were you shy?
A little bit, of course. I guess I'm still, she's still a
But
stranger.
your body language was very strong, I would say.
You think?
Yeah, very.
You mean strong, like well-grounded?
Yeah, very well grounded. Almost,
Too much for
almost
her?
too much. Because if you think about it, she was like this, and you were like, bam, on. So you maybe pushed her away a little bit. It was a bit overwhelming.
Maybe.
She basically couldn't handle how
Strong
you
my
were.
presence
Like,
was.
Oh, hey, das, and she like, it's too much.
Yeah.
So you have to non-verbally check in with her. You can maybe make yourself, in this case, a little bit smaller sometimes, and turn away a bit, and also show that it's
Not directly pointing towards her, maybe that helps too.
for 2 seconds to take the pressure away, right? Like if I stand like this, I put pressure on you. I'm telling you something. What's
kind of-
going on?
I think
right?
I don't know what you think. I kept the distance.
You did. That's good. You didn't chase her. That's very good. You kept your ground. But then you can move away a little bit. Then the second thing is call it out. So you can even say, hey, I see you moving away. Is this strange for you? Or hey,
That's
don't
cool.
worry, I'm not dangerous. Or hey, I see you're a bit shy. It's okay.
Just letting her know that I'm aware it might be
Exactly,
strange for her.
Right? Otherwise, there's this disconnect where you keep talking as she walks away, and she just keeps walking away, and then you're like bye, and then the connection is gone, even though she liked you maybe.
No, that's
So you have to be really in the moment with
great feedback. But I had good energy. I'm feeling good.
this. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, legend status, ask about the name. I've been putting in work, collecting, fuck the fame. Up in the stat while they watching, attending the game. Either you in it or just a critic, man, we ain't the same.
So you think this is good? Stop.
It's good because she can still do like this. you know?
Okay, that's like
You
a
need
powerful
that
move, eh?
commitment. It's very powerful. Yeah, it's strong, but it works because it shows.
I trust you, man.
It
You
shows
need to-
I mean this. I really mean it.
That's cool.
And you
Let's
have
get
to
it.
show that you mean it. If you're like, excuse me, and it's like, I don't want
That's
to talk.
what I was
don't
doing
wanna talk to
yesterday.
yeah, I don't want to talk to a guy who's
Yeah,
like
my
this.
energy has to change.
Yeah.
There's something about you that I like. I don't know exactly what that is. That works?
Can work. Yeah. But if you say it
It's
like
kind
that,
of intriguing, no?
you say it like a player.
You think?
You have to say
Yeah,
it
the message, the way that you
like,
say it, yeah.
There is a place for you being a player, but I want that the real you comes out. Because otherwise,
I want what? Sorry?
like when you act like a player.
Well, I'm not
sometimes.
yet.
You should be authentic.
Uh-huh.
No, I'm not saying you're not yet. You are, and you should be less of a player and more of an authentic guy who expresses himself. Right? Otherwise, it's not a bad mask, but it's still a mask to be like, yeah, there's something like, yeah, that was, you know.
So I guess I don't know. It will become natural at some point, or
Yeah, of course, we practice. Just really, I want you
just
to
put the reps in.
not just put the reps in.
No?
Tune into yourself
Uh,
of what you actually want to express, and what you actually want to say, and what you actually feel, and say that.
okay.
It's not a. It's called game, right? We're playing the game, but really we should call it we're connecting. We're connecting with strangers, and we can connect better when we're authentic.
Hello. Hello. How are you doing? You look nice today. What are you doing sitting here?
I go to the museum.
Ah, you're going to the museum?
I want to smoke some.
Really? What is the museum like? Is it the National Museum or?
No, to the new museum, my museum.
I see. What are you gonna see there?
Huh?
What do they have there? Is it like an exposition or something?
There are archaeological.
Archaeological? Really? Wow, nice. You're not German, right? Are you?
No, I'm Turkish.
Turkish? Really? Wow, nice. What's your name? Pascual. Nice to meet you. How did you pronounce it? Wow, I've never heard anyone called like that before. That's cool. Where in Turkey were you born?
I'm born here in Germany.
Ah, you were born in
from
Germany?
Cologne, yes.
Really? Cologne. So you're visiting, I'm assuming, or just checking the museums?
Yes, I'm for a few days here.
I see. So do you like Berlin so far?
My friend lives here in Berlin.
Ah, I see.
To visit her.
Really?
She's working, so I thought.
So you're taking the
I
free
go
time just to walk around?
Yes.
That's cool.
Yeah.
So I've been in Berlin only for 2 days. I'm leaving tomorrow, but I'm liking it so far. It's very nice. It's raining a little bit, but I'm enjoying it.
Today it's not so nice. In 2 hours, I think it's rain for.
Maybe.
2 hours.
It's a good chance to go to the museum, right?
Yeah.
That's cool. That's cool. Do you mind if I sit with you for a minute? I think I'll be here for 2 minutes. I'm
If
waiting
you
for a
want.
friend.
If you want.
Yeah,
Call
sure.
me late night, shawty, what you want? Yeah.
You know, I feel like after yesterday and some things that I've learned, like a new set of opportunities open in my life and feels like, you know, very exciting. So very happy for what happened.
Crazy. Every stranger now is just somebody who you didn't meet or you didn't
Yeah,
say
of
hi to,
course.
right? It's very powerful. There's just people sitting around and they all have stories, and we can just introduce ourselves and maybe they let us in for a little bit.
It's very
It's
cool.
beautiful.
You ready? You're my love, my love, my love. What else you want from me? What else you want from me?
Here it is with the green and
But what should you use? Friendly vibe or?
yeah, friendly vibe. Do like friendly vibe. Like, hey, you guys found anything?
Just what should I open them with?
Well, what do you think? What stands out about them?
Try to say something that is genuine from the way that they walk in.
Hey ladies, you tourists. Oh, cool. Well, you dressed very elegantly for being tourists. Well, it's what I would say, for example. That's what I noticed.
Hello, ladies. You speak English?
Yes.
I was wondering, you're also a tourist or visiting or something, or you're
No,
from
it's
there?
just from Germany.
You are from
Yes.
Berlin or somewhere
No,
else?
from Heidelberg.
Heidelberg.
Frankfurt. So,
All of you?
Yes.
I see. So you're just doing the trip, visiting and everything.
Yeah. And where are you from?
I'm from Spain. I'm visiting here. I'm here until Sunday. I mean, not Sunday. Today I'm leaving
Yeah.
in the afternoon, but I think I'll be back on Monday. So what are you doing? Just walking around? Did you buy anything there?
No, just
No.
looking around.
I see. I guess it's not the first time in Berlin, is it?
No, it isn't.
No? What do you like it about the
Yes.
city? What do you like about the city?
Maybe the
Hamburg is like, you said Hamburg?
no, Frankfurt.
Frankfurt. How far away from Berlin it is? 2 hours?
6 hours.
6? Wow. So you made a long trip just for
Yeah.
the weekend or something?
A road trip.
What is the real reason that you came? You have something, event or something happening?
No, just a girls trip.
Nice, nice. That's cool. And I just hit you up because I'm running an event and next week I'm doing a party in my house. I don't know if you would like to come. I'm inviting just pretty ladies that I see on the street, and you make like a good fit. You'll be here next Friday? No? So when are you leaving?
Tomorrow.
Ah, okay. Okay, so maybe next time you come back, no?
Yeah.
You come to Berlin often? I run the events like every month or so. So I don't know.
It
If you,
depends. Yearly.
If I do a big party, you have to come. Maybe you can take the 6-hour trip.
Maybe this would be the reason.
That's
yeah.
cool. So it's okay if we can exchange Instagrams or something. Do you have Instagram?
Yeah.
I can follow one of you or just the three of you. You're like fully German? Because you kind of look Turkish or something.
No.
What's your name? What's your name? Pascual. Nice to meet you. Your name? Ah, that's German name or?
Yes.
Cool. And yours? Ah, nice to meet you. Okay. Just don't be afraid. I'm like an online fitness coach, so I have a lot of almost naked pictures on my Instagram. Hopefully you don't mind.
Should be okay.
Okay. It's following. We're connected now. Okay, I guess I'll see you around. Have a nice trip. Bye-bye. That was powerful. Boom. And they were feeling me too. Did you see? That's cool.
You got it.
Smiling so much.
It was funny. It was good. It was such a good vibe. Very well done. Great vibe, huh?
I'm feeling it, bro.
You made them all laugh. Very charming, and like, it's so interesting how there's all these thoughts in our head before the
I'm just
interaction,
flowing after
and
I
then
open.
once you're in,
Boom.
easy.
It's gone.
It's all before, huh? All
Definitely.
the stress is all before. Once you're in,
But honestly, if I'm honest with you, I'm not even stressed before the approaching now. It's just like, I have this, have you seen this Dragon Ball set
yeah.
episode where he's like fighting on the tatami and then at some point after like 10 minutes of fighting, he takes the shirt off and he has like 1-ton belt. So he was super fast, but he had like 1,000 kilos.
Yeah, I remember that.
So for me, like the fact that I started doing it is I just took the weight off
Yeah,
and I'm a true self now. So I'm just,
good.
man, I'm flowing. I'm very happy. It's great.
What we're gonna change today is, I don't want to hear any more complimenting the bag, complimenting the dress, you know? I want you to be direct and honest. The more specific, the better, to feel into what do you like about the girl and tell her.
So you sound cool. I like your vibe. You're beautiful today.
For example, yeah.
Those three?
For example, yeah. It can also be, oh, I liked how you are smiling, or, you know, oh, you're smiling when you listen to music. It looks beautiful. Or, hey, you're taking a photo.
Just focus a little bit more on the lady and, you know.
Yeah, what she's
give
up to,
something-
what she's doing, how she behaves, right? You can say, "How you look very gentle. You look very calm." Or there's something about you, I'm not sure. Like, make it about her, and be authentic with it. Okay, that's hugs, handshakes.
Wait. Most important one.
Oh yes, please, sir, lady.
This works every time. If you want to go further on a date, do this. Wait, turn with your back to them. So you go to hug. Put your hands flat on their back. Find the two pads of muscle and go like this.
Oh, you're talking for the guy now.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
Because that
Like
lets
really
them know,
hard.
Like no, you just kind of like hold their muscles.
Wow.
And it lets them know like, I've got you.
So it
Ah.
makes you feel.
Absolutely. I've never gone on a date. I'm not.
Okay, so that's the only trick that we need to know now.
Like this.
Very
Just to
strong.
Make you feel like safe.
Yeah. Okay.
That's good advice.
Your main goal was to overcome that barrier where you cannot approach. How do you feel right now?
I feel powerful. As powerful as I've ever felt. It's just like I was saying before, it's just like a new fucking world has opened up to me. And I'm excited for what's coming. If I can see the progress that I have in 2 days, I cannot imagine how it will be 1 year from now. But yeah, it has been a really cool experience. I don't know if I would say it was better than I anticipated because I already saw some of the content that he was doing in YouTube, and that was kind of the reason I made the decision, because I saw how close he was with the clients, how invested he is in getting the best of you. And I think he has a nice mission. I think even though he's spending a lot of time and, you know, like he was saying, draining a little bit because, you know, you spend a lot of energy helping people like me, the outreach that what he's doing has on the world is powerful, and I can feel it now. So very excited for the future, very grateful for him to give me the chance. And yeah, looking forward for what's next. Next good things are coming, so I'm very happy.
So what I would suggest you is start recording yourself. So you can listen to when you pause, when you cut people off, right? That's where we currently are. Because obviously you're not done. You have a lot to work on. You made a great breakthrough. You started, you're in the zone, you have less fear. That's amazing. So now the next level will be finding your authentic self and really being you with the girls and listening in on what are you saying to them? Where are you taking the conversation to? Are you forcing a topic or are you really listening? Do you pause enough? Do you give her space to open up and so on? And you can do that best by obviously continuing having a coach like me, but you can also coach yourself a little bit by recording yourself. So that will be interesting where you are in the next 3 to 6 months.
What should I say? I'm here in Prague 2 months after I did the workshop with Alex and Liam. It was one of the biggest turning points of my life until now. I'm making way more money, I became way more confident, my relationship with women has improved dramatically. And yeah, I'm just way more smoother, everything is going very well with me in terms of, you know, in every regard. I'm way more confident, like I said, I'm able to approach, I've met 5-6 ladies since I came back from the workshop. I wouldn't say like mega abundance in my life in terms of women, but definitely way more options than I had before. It's no longer a problem for me, I feel like I can just meet people anywhere at any time, which gave me a lot of, you know, relief, and just looking forward for what's coming next for me, and very happy with the decision that I made when I joined the workshop, because this was something that was in my mind for a very long time, and I had a fear inside of me that didn't allow me to take action, and just joining the workshop completely changed my life. So very happy for the decision that I made, very happy with Alex and Liam, and looking forward to the growth that's coming. Let's get it.
Just keep going, you know. Whenever you go home, keep going, do a couple every day. It's like your new gym routine, your social gym routine. You're now in the social gym, and you have to do your reps every day. You know?
Yeah, that's cool. Put the reps.
Few reps, few sets, and you make progress like you did here. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate you putting yourself on camera as well.
I don't mind it. It's just for the work.
Appreciate. Give love to Pascal in the
My
comments.
Instagram will be here if you want to get in shape, which I believe helps a lot with dating.
Follow him on Instagram.
Follow me. Hit me up. I might get even a discount for the people
might
watching.
become my fitness coach. So.
It's happening. We're gonna get in touch. So.
Put in code Alex Leon. Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah.
Okay. See you in the next video.
Bye, guys.
If you are curious now if Pascal was able to continue the momentum and continue to approaching in his hometown after the 2-day workshop with me, you can click here and watch an interview that I did with him. This interview was done about 4 months after the live coaching. So yeah, it's interesting to see what happens after one of these workshops. Enjoy.